Want to control your phone without even touching it? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mirror your phone screen using Phone Link on Windows. We'll connect your device, open the screen mirroring feature, and show you how to interact with your phone directly from your computer. So let's get started. Before getting started, it's important to know that phone screen mirroring is available only on supported Android devices. This feature is not currently available for iPhones through Phone Link, and not every Android phone includes screen mirroring support. Make sure your Android phone is already connected to Phone Link using the link to Windows app. Confirm that both devices are signed in with the same Microsoft account and that the connection is active. Yeah, this is required before the feature can work. Inside Phone Link, select your connected device and look for the phone screen option. Click it to begin the screen mirroring process. The first time you use this feature, your phone may ask you to approve the connection. Once the mirrored screen appears, you can use your mouse and keyboard to interact with your phone. Open apps, reply to messages, browse your photos, or navigate your device just as you normally would. You know, it's almost like using your phone directly on your desktop. For a better viewing experience, switch to full screen mode if it's available. This gives you more space to interact with your phone and makes multitasking much easier. If the phone screen doesn't open, check that your device supports screen mirroring. Verify that Phone Link and Link to Windows are updated, and make sure both devices remain connected. Restarting the apps or reconnecting your phone often resolves the issue, and that's how to mirror your phone screen with Phone Link on Windows. Once it's working, you can access your favorite mobile apps without constantly switching devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.